case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Court of Appeal of the State of California heard a 1979 case, Fair Political Practices Commission v. Suitt, which focused on whether the California State Legislature's Assembly Democratic Caucus should be considered a person under the Political Reform Act and therefore required to follow campaign finance laws and report contributions. This lawsuit emerged after one of the caucus's employees engaged in campaign activities while receiving full state payment, leading the Fair Political Practices Commission, FPPC, to sue the Suitt Committee for failing to disclose non-monetary contributions. Though the trial court sided with the committee, the Court of Appeal reversed judgments in both cases and determined that the Assembly Democratic Caucus must comply with campaign disclosure rules, adding that clear regulations can resolve ambiguities while not infringing on sovereign interests.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.